Hey, come on in. So, what we have right here as soon as you walk in is this narrow space. We have some storage right here. Spacious storage with a safe, brand new safe. Didn't even take off the seal yet. Okay, this is new for me. And some of that. There's no hangers. Good, because you don't really use hangers like that and it'd be clanking easily. Oh, it's hangers in here. Lots of them. Lots of them. And these ones you can take off. The other ones you couldn't take off. The other ships you can take off. Oh, and it has a mirror right here. There's a mirror. And then you can take a peek into the bathroom. Now, you're gonna be surprised what's in this bathroom. In this bathroom, it's actually, is this a bigger bathroom? Oh. Is this a bigger bathtub? I mean, shower. Yep. Really modern. Got your cups, your mirror. I don't see any outlets. Oh, outlets are up here. You can do that jazz. Away from the water, I guess. Toilet tissue right here, and another spot right there. What you guys might not know is without this card, you might not be able to turn on your power. But for us, it only took one time to put that card in, it still works. You want to do the rest of them? And then right here we have a mini fridge. Looks nice. Somebody's already ate some in here. Yeah, little mini fridge that you see through. Some more storage space. Got your dryer. Oh, I think the lights. Put your card in when your lights go out. I guess it's a timer. Then got your regular US 1, 2, 3 plugins, and then 4 USBs. Nice. All over here. Now we'll check out the bed, how many the bed has, because you know you have to charge your phones and things at night. But some storage up here, that's nice. And guess what? We have a mirror instead of a TV over here. It's a nice mirror. It's a very nice mirror. Usually the TV is in front of this couch. And it's not this mirror. I like this mirror. It's like modern. I would have this in the house. And then we have a couch right here with our things on it. It is actually a pull-out couch that you can pull out and make it into a bed. Really cool, really cool. Our cameraman, Sarah Khalid, right now is very excited for that.
Okay.
And then over here we have the big bed with the overhead of this nice fancy light again. And then we have little nightstands on each side. And I don't see a port.
What about behind that pillow? What's that?
Oh.
The light switch?
Yeah, lights.
Okay.
You can turn your lights off from your bed, look. That way.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Nice. And then we got little lights over here. You can.
That's perfect for the ceiling challenge right here.
Yeah. And there's some breathing lights, I guess. Oh, shit. There is this little side tables on each side for I guess your phones and drinks.
No outlets there is a weird choice.
But yeah, there is no outlets there, unfortunately.
They have everything to do it. Why didn't they just put a USB right under that light?
Yeah, no clue. And then right behind you, there is a TV right in front of the bed. Right in front of the bed is a large TV. Good size.
This is a good size.
I wonder if we turn it on, if our names pop up. Zarek and Alexis. Nice. Should have been Alexis and Zarek, but
I booked it. So.
And then we have this balcony right here. It's 2 chairs and a table. It is really spacious. And the downside of that is right here. You can see your whole neighbors pointing.
It's gonna be awkward making eye contact with them.
And then right below us, be careful with the camera. Right below us, you can see other people. You can see other people's balcony. I'm glad we have this above. Seeing other people's balcony is crazy.
Very wild.
We have some hot tubs over there. All this jazz. Yeah, that is our room tour. We will now be checking out what's happening on board on the ship. Going to the celebrate party, and we'll keep you tuned. Watch our next videos. Bye.
Bye.